Alright, so in this video I will show you how you can set up pybind11 without using CMake in Visual Studio. So first things first, let's create a new project. This will be a console application. Now this is the folder structure, and now we will put pybind11 here as well. So I will first download the latest version. Let's take the zip file, let's open it up and let us extract it here. So we have to set up the include directories for pybind11 and for Python as well. And also for Python, we have to set up the library folders. So, and one thing to note, this will only work for your architecture. So if you have Python installed for x64, then you have to set it up for x64. So you cannot use Python for a different architecture. So I have Python installed for x64 and I will switch it to that. And in fact, I can just go inside here and I can remove the x86. Now we can go inside here under the properties. There are some things which are shared, and this is the include directory. For simplicity's sake, I will use absolute paths. So for the include directories, we go inside the pybind11 folder and we select the include directory. And now we have to set up the include directory for Python. And I have installed it under C. It's Python here, Python 37 in the include. Select it, click OK, apply. And now we have to set up the folder for the library. We go inside here as well. We go to our Python installation folder. We select the libs folder, hit OK, apply. If you take a look inside the folder itself, you see that you have multiple libraries you can link against. So you have Python 3 libraries, both for release and for debug, and you have Python 37 for release and debug as well. So you have to use those accordingly depending on the configuration you are running. So to link against this library, we go to linker, we go to input, and now we set the configuration to be debug, and we click here, click edit, and then we write here Python 37 _d.lib, hit apply. Then we switch to release, and here we just remove the debug and we link against the release library. So this is pretty much it. Now we can hit build. It built successfully. Let me clean up a little bit. And now we can include python.h, and we can include pybind11, and we have to use the embed. Cool. And now you can just follow the rest of the series. So you create your scoped interpreter, we load the system library, and we print the system path to the console. If I hit run now, you see that it prints out the system path. And we switch quickly to release to verify that it also works in release mode. And it does. So this is how you set up pybind11 without using CMake in Visual Studio.